So all you got to do is open your post and then locate any block you want to add a note for and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see the toolbar up here. Click the three dots, click add note. That'll pop up a little comment bubble on the side so you can add your note there. Then click add note. Once you do that, it'll get added over here to the side. If you click out, it'll be always next to the block you added it to, like that. Or you can come up here and click all notes and you can see all of them neatly organized here. And then you can click on them. It'll highlight the block that the note's for. You can also add extra feedback to the current note. So, which is, of course, is not that useful if you're the same person, but the purpose is so other authors or editors can add feedback. You can also delete a specific entry, or you can delete the whole note by clicking the three dots here, clicking delete, or you can mark a note as resolved, which is clicking the little checkbox there. You click that and then it becomes resolved like that. Now, once a note's resolved, if you close the notes window, let's say, and you click on anything, you won't see them there now. But you can still click and open all notes to see any that were previously closed. You can also reopen it like this. And so it'll add it back, as you can see here, or you can delete it entirely. I would probably recommend deleting notes as soon as it's been resolved. That way you're not bloating up your database with useless junk.